Throughout history, societies have defined class not just by wealth, but by a set of subtle yet powerful signals. From ancient Rome to modern-day Manhattan, the markers of upper-class living have evolved, yet some timeless signs remain hidden in plain sight. Today, many people unknowingly make critical mistakes that prevent them from ascending to the upper echelons of society. It's not about the price tag of your possessions, but rather the mindset and behaviors that set you apart. In this video, I'm going to unveil these subtle signs and show you how to recognize and cultivate them in your own life. By the end, you'll understand why these indicators matter and how they can elevate your status in ways you never imagined. Let's get started. Number 1. You take more mature decisions. The average person reacts to life. Successful people architect it. The difference: decisions. You don't make decisions based on impulse. You make them based on impact. Every choice, from what you buy to how you spend your time, is an investment in your future. While most people chase short-term pleasure, like upgrading to the latest iPhone or financing a luxury car they can't afford, the upper class think in decades. They ask, will this decision make me richer, smarter, or stronger in the long run? This mindset shift separates those who accumulate wealth from those who merely look rich. Wealthy people build habits around delayed gratification and strategic thinking. Number 2, you value time more than money. If you find yourself prioritizing efficiency, choosing quality over quantity, and guarding your schedule, congratulations, you're already thinking like the wealthy. Rich people don't just spend money wisely, they spend time wisely. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how the truly wealthy don't wait in long lines? They don't waste hours arguing over minor discounts. That's because they understand that time is the one thing you can never get back. According to a Harvard study, people who prioritize time over money report greater happiness and life satisfaction. If you've stopped trading time for money and started leveraging money to buy back time, whether by outsourcing tasks, automating finances, or setting firm boundaries, you're living at a higher level. Number 3, you no longer feel the need to prove yourself. As Morgan Housel says in The Psychology of Money, wealth is what you don't see. It's the cars not purchased, the clothes not flaunted, the purchases forgone. True wealth is silent. When you stop trying to prove how successful you are and simply live your life, you've stepped into a different class. 2 men walk into a luxury car dealership. One wears flashy designer clothes, eager to show off his wealth. The other? Simple attire, quiet confidence. Guess who's more likely to afford the car in full? Number 4. You have mastered the art of listening. True power isn't in the loudest voice, it's in the keenest ear. As you level up in life, your relationship with communication shifts dramatically. You no longer feel the need to dominate conversations, prove your worth with words, or seek validation through constant talking. Instead, you embrace the quiet confidence that comes with active listening. Think about the most respected and influential people you know. They don't rush to speak. They observe, absorb, and respond with wisdom. This isn't just a personality trait, it's a deliberate strategy. The person who listens more always has the upper hand. In negotiations, in business, and in personal relationships, understanding before speaking allows you to navigate situations with precision. Number 5. You focus on ownership, not consumption. The middle class buys liabilities, cars, designer clothes, latest gadgets, while the rich buy assets like stocks, businesses, real estate. You understand a fundamental truth. Ownership creates freedom, while consumption creates dependence. Think about it. The majority of people spend their paychecks on things that depreciate: cars, clothes, entertainment. But the wealthy? They prioritize ownership, stocks, businesses, real estate, intellectual property. They know that true wealth isn't measured by what you buy, but by what you control. When you own income-generating assets, you don't have to trade your time for money forever. Ownership means your money works for you instead of the other way around. Number 6, you handle problems with composure. When chaos hits, do you panic or pivot? The wealthy don't crumble under pressure. They thrive in uncertainty. Average people let emotions dictate their reactions. They lash out in traffic, quit jobs impulsively, or make desperate financial decisions. But the rich? They play chess while others play checkers. Instead of fearing problems, the wealthy see them as puzzles to solve. That's why a millionaire can lose everything and rebuild, while the average person stays stuck after one financial setback. You take pause before reacting. When faced with a challenge, you ask yourself, what would a billionaire do? The lesson? Control your emotions, or your emotions will control your destiny. Number 7. You find joy in simplicity. In a world obsessed with luxury, status symbols, and material possessions, it might surprise you that some of the richest people live remarkably simple lives. Why? Because they understand that true wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about having freedom, security, and control over your time. Studies show that after a certain income level, more money doesn't significantly increase happiness. Instead, stress from debt and overspending often reduces life satisfaction. Owning too many things leads to decision fatigue, stress, and distraction. The wealthiest people simplify their lives to focus on what truly matters: health, relationships, and purpose. The truly wealthy don't seek happiness in things. They find it in freedom, peace of mind, and purpose. If you are doing this, you are already an upper class. Number 8. You don't care about competition. Ever noticed how the richest and most successful people don't waste time competing with others? Instead, they focus on becoming the best version of themselves. When you're obsessed with competing, you're constantly reacting instead of innovating. You focus on beating others instead of improving yourself. Constantly comparing yourself to others leads to envy, stress, and burnout. Instead, focusing on your strengths allows you to build wealth and success effortlessly. Social media makes it easy to compare lifestyles, but remember, real wealth is silent. Just because someone flashes luxury doesn't mean they're financially free. Number 9. You make money while you sleep. The wealthy don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Relying solely on active income, salary, instead of building passive income streams. If you're earning money through investments, rental income, online businesses, or dividends, you're already living the way the rich do. Billionaire investor Warren Buffett said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." If you're generating passive income, you're already in the upper class mindset. Number 10. You prioritize health as wealth. The rich invest in their health, mentally and physically, because they know success demands peak performance. Are you investing in a nutritious diet, fitness, mental well-being, and personal development? Common mistake people make is ignoring health while chasing wealth, only to spend later on medical bills. Consider health an investment, not an expense. The world's wealthiest individuals prioritize fitness, sleep, and stress management. If you take care of your body like an asset, you're already practicing an upper-class principle. Wealth isn't just about the number in your bank account. It's about how you think, how you invest, and how you use your time. If you already recognize yourself in these signs, congratulations, you're moving in the right direction. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.